In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted emails in Gmail. If you accidentally deleted an important email or can't find a message in your inbox anymore, don't worry. Gmail provides several ways to restore deleted emails, and in most cases, you can recover them in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Log into the Google account where the deleted email was originally located. Once your inbox loads, look toward the left side menu and find the trash folder. Depending on your Gmail layout, you may need to click More to expand the full list of folders. Open the trash folder to view emails that were recently deleted. Gmail usually keeps deleted emails in trash for up to 30 days before permanently removing them. Scroll through the folder or use the search bar at the top to locate the email you want to recover. Once you find the deleted email, click the checkbox next to the message or open the email directly. After that, look for the Move To icon at the top of the screen. Click it and choose Inbox or any other folder where you want to restore the email. The message will immediately be moved out of trash and returned to the selected folder. You can then access it normally again inside your Gmail account. If the email is no longer inside trash, there's still another option you can try. Go to the Gmail search bar and type keywords, sender names, or subjects related to the missing email. Sometimes emails are accidentally archived instead of deleted, meaning they still exist in the account but no longer appear in the inbox. You should also check folders like Spam, Archive, Promotions, Social, or All Mail, since Gmail may automatically sort messages into different categories depending on the content of the email. If the email was permanently deleted from trash, Google also provides a recovery tool for certain situations. Search for Gmail Message Recovery Tool in Google and open the official recovery page. This tool may help restore recently lost emails caused by hacking, syncing issues, or accidental deletion, although recovery is not always guaranteed. To avoid losing important emails in the future, consider starring important messages, creating labels, or enabling backup options through Google account settings. This can make it much easier to organize and recover emails later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to recover deleted emails in Gmail. Whether the email was moved to trash, archived, or accidentally misplaced, Gmail offers several ways to help you restore important messages quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Gmail tutorials, productivity tips, and tech guides.